Hi everybody, welcome back to my third episode of She Slime. We're also going to do a little previously of my cat. There's a previous video of my cat doing playtime, and go watch that. And for now, I'm just going to show you this slime I made. It's this really green. It looks blue on camera, but it's actually green. You can think it's blue, but it's actually green. It's very shiny. And here, guys, close view. It's some water slime. You can kind of see it's water slime, that's why it's so jiggly. And it's really nice. I really like it. I just want to show you guys it, and we might mix some old beads into it if we can get this video to, let me think, to 100 likes. We will mix foam beads into this a different time if we can get this video to 100 likes. Because likes are harder to get. And if you do just like me, if you don't want this video, because it's kind of short, but this was going to be a beautiful video until I thought, let's do it. It's pretty, like I said, something all over my hands now. It's not sticky, it's just a little sticky right now because it melted. Because we just went to Pennsylvania for a few weeks. We just went to Pennsylvania for a few weeks, so slime melted a little bit. So it's a little sticky. I'm going to go throw this piece out that was stuck on my hand. I had it. It was stuck on my hand. What? I'm washing my hand. Okay guys, my hands are washed. Time for the cat. Careful by the stairs. Let's go find my cat. Here she is, guys. This is my kitty. Her name is Daisy, and I'm just going to show you some of her perks. This is my cat. Hi. Come back, come. Daisy, come back. Come back. Daisy, look at the camera. Oh, okay, bye-bye. See what you are having. It's right in here. You can see her body. She's right there now. She's running away from the camera. Oh, I think she's going to hop up. She gets nervous when she's on camera. So yeah, that's my cat. She's so cute. I'm gonna make my way over. Let's do it. Here's my cat close up. And here's the bed that she sleeps in. And this is Daisy's. I don't know where she went, so I also want to show you this new thing. This is the thing you can get at the Dollar Tree. If you look, it's a cat. Here, let me flip this. It's a cat laser. Cats like to play with it. Also, these new things called push pops. You have a clap and you just pull it, and it pops up. This flavor is Berry Blast. It's so delicious. And this one is Berry Blast. If you want blue raspberry, you gotta find a lighter one like this. Like this exact shape, but it's a lighter blue. So yeah, bye. And that was another video of Shay's Cat Fun mixed with Shay Slime.